guys, so I just washed my hair, so like the top of my sweatshirt is wet. I asked you guys over on Instagram to help me decide how I'm gonna do my hair because I wanted to do what you guys voted for, but I needed a push to do it because literally I have never done my hair like this before and I'm kind of scared to do it. So I was hoping y'all voted for the safe route so that I didn't have to try it this time around. But I did like a twist out or Bantu knots, and Bantu knots won by 64%. So 64% Bantu knots or 36% twist out. Just so you guys know, Bantu knots meaning like a Bantu knot out, I guess that's how you would say it. So I'm not gonna wear it, of course, in the Bantu knots. I'm gonna do it as like a setting style and then take it down. We're about to get started on this mane of mine. Oh my god, now I'm thinking I should just do a wash and go because my hair is so defined right now, but no, we're gonna stick with the plan. So what I'm going to use for styling products is I'm just going to use this LottaBody with Milk and Honey Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. I used this when I did perm rods and I really liked how my hair turned out, and I feel like it will end up looking better like with a mousse. I mean, I don't know, it could look the same with a regular curling cream. I'm just thinking about it in my head because I've never done it before, so I'm trying to make sure I make the best decision. So as you guys know, when I do my hair, I don't really do it perfectly. So I'm not about to pull out an rat tail comb and be parting and stuff like that. I'm literally just gonna take parts with my fingers and then do the knots. Oh, and I also did not try to rinse out all of the conditioner out of my head just so it's softer and just more hydrated. So I kind of used it as like a leave-in conditioner. So let me also be clear that this is me testing out this hairstyle. It's not gonna be perfect at all. This is my first time, so be easy, okay? Be easy. I'm going to do 2 pumps of the mousse and work it into the section. So what I'm about to do next, y'all gonna be like, what? So I'm about to comb my hair, okay? I know I just posted a video about me not using combs, which is very true. I don't use combs, but I did state in that video that I will use them. I just don't use them every single time I style my hair. And it's actually been about 2 months or so since I've used the comb. So, and that's kind of what I said. Well, I wrote it on the screen because I said a month, but it's actually about 2 months when I will use a comb again. And the only reason why I'm using a comb, I feel like I gotta explain it when I don't think I do, but I feel like I do. But that's because I wanna make sure that this section is flat so that when I twist my hair in the Bantu knot, it has a smoother curl. So, and I'm not just using any old comb. This is actually a detangling comb that I got from Target, which I cannot find this comb anymore in Target, which sucks because I remember when I first got this, I thought this was like the best comb in the world, which I still think it's a pretty cool comb. Maybe you guys can find it on Amazon or something like that, or maybe even eBay, but it's from Evolve. I'll put the name of it down below, but I mean, they might have brought it back to Target. Around that time when I first got it, it was like I saw it that day, I bought it, and then I never saw it again. Now it's time to do it. So when you do a Bantu knot, you literally just twist it like you would twist, I don't even know how to describe those things. Like back in the day, I'm not that old, but back in the day we used to have like those little twists that would coat the whole, that would be the whole front of your head, and then it'll be like curly or whatever in the back. So it's kind of like that. You're twisting it like, oh, here's another example. You twist it like a faux lock, just like that. Okay, so I have it curled all the way, and now wrap it around. This is so scary. Like, what the heck? I know I didn't do this right. That was a fail. This is my first one, and it's definitely not a Bantu knot at all. But we're just gonna move on. We're gonna do the next one because it did like the vibe that I wanted it to. Like it gave that smooth curl. I just couldn't get it to wrap around itself. So we're gonna try it again because the back doesn't really matter. Like it can look whatever. Look how long my hair is getting, guys. I need to get it straightened. Let's try this again. So I think I'm supposed to wrap it around itself while I'm twisting it down. So let's try that. I've literally not watched a tutorial on a Bantu knot in probably over a decade because this hairstyle has actually been around for a long time. Like I remember watching videos about this when I was in middle school, but I think this way is working. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Look at this. I look crazy. I just knocked my glasses out. I got it, guys. I did it. I did it. And then I'm just bobby pinning the end. It's definitely not as like smooth. Let me try to get it to focus on my hair. So it's definitely not as smooth as I feel like the one down here is. Like, it's that one not smooth either. But we're on our way, folks. But definitely do not use this video as a tutorial. Use this as entertainment. Because literally I'm in no position to be teaching y'all how to do this, because I don't even know how to do it myself. I put on the mousse. I'm just combing out the ends. And the only reason why you guys hear like that snapping is not because I'm being rough at all with the comb. It's because this comb actually snaps back to each other. So if you've never seen any of my videos, this comb stretches like that. So you're hearing like it's smacking into each other. So don't worry. So I'm doing 2 layers of mousse. I'm doing like 1 layer and then combing out to smooth. And then I'm putting 2 more pumps of mousse in my hand on top of the smoothed out section. And then I go back in with the comb to kind of just distribute the product. And now we're going to twist. I feel like once I get like a pro at this, I'm moving towards the future, or way into the future. But once I get to a pro, I feel like this is gonna be way faster and easier than a twist out. I mean, I could be wrong, but I'm thinking, I feel like I'm already moving fast. And I'm just thinking about how far I would be able to twist out. Not far at all. Even though I've been doing that for a while too. I think I'm getting the hang of it though. My first one was definitely a fail, but I'm not about to redo that one. I'm going to finish up a lot of my head because I want to watch this basketball game and I can't watch it and talk to you guys at the same time. So I'll be back like when I'm almost done. So I am to the top. I got 2 more to go, and I feel like I got used to how to do the Bantu knots as I went on my head. I mean, of course, I guess you kind of expect that for you to get better as you go. So a few things that I learned is that you can get away with some pretty juicy size sections with these Bantu knots. Like, they don't have to be perfectly small or whatever in order to get it down to a good size of a Bantu knot. Some of them I still was messing up on, but a majority of them I did pretty correctly, I would say. One thing that I did learn is that when you're doing the twist around part, is to let it go whatever way it wants to go. So if it wants to go counterclockwise, don't force it to go clockwise, because that was making me mess up some of them when I was trying to like twist it around in the clockwise direction when it was clearly trying to go counterclockwise. So just kind of go with the flow when it comes to the Bantu knot. And another thing that I can see being like kind of hard with Bantu knots is you have to keep a really tight hand with them. So make sure that you're not going loose when you're twisting it around each other. It's all like making sure your hand is super duper sturdy so that it doesn't unravel as you're twisting it around. So just make sure you hold it really tight as you twist it all the way around, and just keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight, and then pin it. Don't like get loose in the middle of it, because then it'll all ravel. It'll unravel in the middle of it, and you don't want that. We have made it to the last section, and this is how big the section is. You don't have to do big sections. I'm just kind of just putting it out there. You can do as small or as large sections as you want. So this is all of the Bantu knots. I of course did not do perfect sections. I don't really like perfect sections. So yeah, this is what it looks like all over. I'm gonna leave this on overnight, let it air dry and all of that, and I'm gonna take it down tomorrow sometime and show you guys. Hopefully it turns out good. I'm thinking it will though. It can't turn out bad. Like, even though some of the sections, oh look, this one already unraveled. But even though some of the sections aren't like perfect, I still think it should work out and look at least have a wave, which is really all I want. I just wanted to at least be wavy. Hi guys, so it is actually Wednesday. It's 2 days later. I didn't take my hair down yesterday because I didn't actually get dressed yesterday, so there was no need for me to take my hair down. I just thought I would just let it set for another day. A lot of them are like not as out as the ones on the top just because of the way I was sleeping and stuff like that, so hopefully it ends up looking right. This one looks so funny to me. But a lot of them, like this one, is flat now, but we're gonna take it down and see how it looks. I'm kind of nervous. Hopefully it doesn't look bad, but again, I'm just really kind of thinking the end's not gonna look right. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice curl. Sleeping on these was kind of painful. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, my head is sore right now. As I'm taking these down, like, it's kind of tender, and I'm not even tender-headed, but it's literally tender. These are like some cute little curls. This is really cute. This one's still wet. What kind of mess? I mean, like a little bit damp, like at the roots. Ooh. Okay, so now, oh wait, I missed one. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and zhuzh out the roots, separate a bit more, make my hair bigger. Definitely need some massage. I'm gonna go in the bathroom because this little mirror is not helping, and I like to stand up and do my hair for some reason. So I'll be back with it all fluffed out. So guys, this is how my hair looks. It's really hours later. I've done a lot since I took my hair down, but I actually really like the results. If you guys know, like by watching my channel, you know I really don't do like super defined hairstyles. I kind of just go with how my hair turns out. However it turns out, I like the big fluffy almost not that defined look. I have like a few curly curls up here. I just think it's really cool. It's really fun. It's like a wispy hairstyle, not as like crinkly like if I were to do a twist out or a braid out. So it's definitely something that I might do or try again in the future. It was like not the most comfortable thing to sleep in though. That's the only reason why I wouldn't do it that often, but it does seem like it would be a faster hairstyle to do versus like a twist out or a braid out. I had a lot of fun with this. I'm so glad you guys chose this over on Instagram. Make sure you are following me over there and subscribed over here if you're not subscribed already. And thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.